Welcome back to BOOSIEVLOGS. As you see, we have baby ducklings there. Okay. Now, this is like a makeshift broodery. We have like a little plastic little tote like that. Okay. And I just have some post office boxes. Okay. Post office boxes on top of it to keep it warm. And I have a light like that. Okay. And put it down. Right now, that's my baby. Right now, yeah, they food there, some water there. Okay, the brown ones right there, those are called khaki camels. And the yellow and black ones, those are called Muscovies. All the yellow ones are Muscovies. The yellow and black ones, I should have a, that's all together is 10 it's 5 khaki camels, and it is 10, it's 10 altogether, but it's 5 khaki camels and 5 Muscovies. So they're just hanging out, chilling. There they go. And I didn't start them off with medicated food. Because I actually got these from, like in the past, I used to go to Tractor Supply. I used to get them, which I probably am going to still probably get some from Tractor Supply in the future. But I received these from homesteaders. Now those khaki camels, they're going to lay almost about 300 to 360 eggs a year. Okay, they're growing very fast. About a couple of days old, about 5 days old. Yeah, they are growing very fast. Okay. And in the future, I'll be able to tell you, fam, which ones are girls and which ones are boys. Stay tuned to BOOSIEVLOGS. And as you see, they're just playing around, eating. They're going to be a great addition. And ducks are very nasty when they're very small. They poop up everywhere. They get stinky real fast. If you're new to homesteading, you may want to go to Tractor Supply. Gonna be your best friend. And go there and get you some pine shavings or cedar shavings. I like the pine shavings that's already in the white bag. You know? But they're growing very. I may do a series on them. Call them. I may do a series on the. Now we also have some adult Muscovies. So I never ate Muscovies before, but they say their meat tastes like steak. So I can't wait to enjoy one. We may do one for June 19th, 2022. But this is the new edition, fam. And these are just unsexed, I just, got 5 of each. Now they eat all through the day. But I see if the more I feed them, the more faster they'll grow, and the more stronger and healthy they'll get. So that's what I'm trying to shoot for. You know, that one are just sitting in the food. That one are just sitting just sitting in the food. But everything seemed to be going well with them. You know, when I first got them, I put a little apple cider vinegar, Mother's Touch, inside the water. You know, so I may do that probably once a week. That'll help fight off bacteria. But they're all healthy. Those khaki camels, like they're gonna be taller than those Muscovies. Well, I thank y'all for watching. I wanted to bring y'all in to show y'all that you know, we just don't have, you know, dogs here at BOOSIEVLOGS, you know. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to BOOSIEVLOGS. And if you're new to the channel, hit the notification bell button so you can be notified every time I drop a video. And as you see, it's like they have to have the water when they eat. And they'll go in the food and dip right back in the water. See? But that's what they are, you know, waterfowl. And if you cross a Muscovy with khaki camel, I don't think that they would be able to produce. I think that they'll be sterile, like a horse and a mule, or a horse and a donkey creates a mule, and a mule, like, you know, the mule is sterile. But don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to BOOSIE'S Vlogs.